Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to play Minecraft. Now let's get started. We're going to see this funny video. It's not going to be an unfunny comment. It's going to be a funny comment. You can put a random comment if you want, guys. Oh my goodness! Oh no, canto. Phew. That was about to go on some game. So guys. Oh yeah, I forgot that the TNT I exploded in another video. Ugh. Okay guys, it's gonna be so funny. It's gonna be so funny. Wait, spawn a cow. Then spawn a villager. Then put some redstone. Stay here, little buddy. Hey, no. Just staying here. No. Don't. What are you doing? Hey. Go back where you were. Stop. Yo, guys, chicken. You know what?
Change that. I said, but I'm saying I don't want to watch the bad stuff. You're my sister.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's a 13-year-old little baby.
No, you're not coming back. You acting like a baby. Go somewhere else. I don't want you coming up here.
She's 13 years old.
Stay here. Hey.
How old is she?
She is.
Always that. No! Ugh. Watch this, guys. Watch this. You're gonna be so happy. If I just place this TNT, yeah, TNT and lever. Hey, stay there. You're gonna be so happy, guys. Dang it! Die, I want you to die. Stay there. Don't move. Jeez! Ugh! Sick and tired. Oh yeah. Stay there. You're gonna be so happy. Oh! Shot your big headed shot your big jaw. Hey, don't mess around. Hey, don't mess around. Shut your big mouth, you big! Why you killed a villager? Die!
Mom.
Die! Die!
I'm
not going anywhere. You have to make sandwich.
Don't want you coming around here.
Heroy,
Yes?
make turkey sandwich and eat. Okay?
Okay. Die. Oh! Oh, jeez. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Oh. Oh, jeez. I didn't put in wrong. So bad. Whoa. Whoa. Coal. Oh, yeah. Coal. Give me some coal. Give me some coal. Well, guys, watch this. This is a long time ago when everybody once died here. This is the grave. Dun, dun, dun. This is their grave. It's their grave. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Hey guys, you dare me to make a computer? Wait, let me make a computer. So guys, if you want to make a computer, watch me. Yes, you can. First, get a slab. Cobblestone slab, I meant. So first you need this. If you need a chair, just put it right here. Yeah. And then this has to be this has to be I forgot. Wait, let me start this all over. Okay. Let me just that has to be guys, this has to be. Oh jeez. Okay. And this has to be the cobbles. I mean this. Ugh, stupid.
Why do you say that? Huh?
There. Stupid. Oh, dang. Sorry guys, I'm at home. This is my mom. Sink. Okay, that's how you do it. Then you're gonna have to put like these. Oh no, wrong. You have to put the trapdoor. Or you can just make a laptop. A laptop is so easy. Just put this and put this. And you're gonna get it. We're gonna place this down. See. Okay, I don't know how to make a laptop, so if you're done, okay, now get a piece of redstone. I'll do this in the next video, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.